The entire world should be investing in the United States of America. There's a certain type of real estate in America that is produced no other place on the planet. You should be buying real estate that provides housing, a place for people to live, called apartments or multifamily, residential, commercial real estate, a place where residents live, but it's a commercial style of real estate. 300 to 500 units in one location. So we closed a deal last week, 507 units, one close, one location. A guy here told me, he's like, I did 500 homes last year. I said, I did 500 last week. Yeah, just saying. In one location, he had to do 500 closings. I did one closing, 500 units. And those people pay rent there. So 500 times $1,500 a month, $2,200 a month. Great property, beautiful location, great amenities that will cash flow positive, pay all the maintenance, pay the taxes, property taxes, the roof, the paint, the turnover, the marketing, and still leave cash over for the investors and pay down the debt. This is the perfect investment vehicle for everyday people.
Biggest financial mistake you made in your life?
I sold an apartment. I bought it for $200,000. Sold it for $225,000. Today's $800,000.
What? Why did you invest in real estate?
That's the only thing I know how to do. I got many properties. I live off that. It's easy because you buy the house or you buy the apartment, you rent it. That's it.
What's the one habit that you're working on in your life right now?
Getting a couple of more properties so I can be able to retire.
And how much money do you need to retire?
$20,000 a month.
What would you tell the young youth when it comes to real estate?
Start investing soon. As soon as you can buy a $20,000 land, property, whatever, but buy something.
Buy it now.
Right now.
Here are the top 5 states to invest in real estate. Number 1 is Texas. With cities like Austin, Dallas, and Houston, we have seen a significant growth in both population and job markets. Number 2 is going to be Florida. Florida's tourism industry can contribute to the high demand in short-term rentals. Additionally, cities like Tampa, Orlando, and Jacksonville have seen a surge in demand for rental properties. Number 3 is Tennessee. Cities like Nashville and Memphis offer affordable real estate prices combined with a steady job growth, increasing the demand for housing. Number 4 is Arizona. Phoenix and its surrounding areas have seen a surge in population and job growth. The affordability compared to its neighbor, California, makes it an attractive alternative for many retirees and families. Number 5 is Ohio. Cities like Cleveland and Cincinnati offer potential for cash flow due to the affordable property prices combined with a stable rental demand.
We're going to be looking at how you can get started in investing in real estate in the United States of America from Nigeria. If you've not heard about RiseVest, I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about using RiseVest to achieve your investment goals this year. So first of all, what is RiseVest? RiseVest is a digital dollar asset manager that connects Nigerians to foreign investment opportunities through products such as fixed income, US real estate, and US stock. So in layman terms, they provide you an avenue to invest your money in fixed income, right? So you can fix money on their system and earn an interest from it. Or you invest in real US real estate, which this video is about, or US stocks. But in this video, we are going to be concentrating on investing in the US real estate. According to this article, they say that first, they act as a fund manager. This means we don't let you figure out which stocks to buy. Instead, we invest on your behalf in expertly selected high-performing companies. Secondly, we offer 3 investment products, allowing you to invest according to your risk appetite and offering decent returns. So that's all you know about RiseVest. To download the app, I'm going to put the invitation code on the screen. Please use the invitation code. Go on the Google Play Store, look for RiseVest, but use this code as your invitation code. All right. So after you sign up, you'd be requested for KYC. So they are going to ask you for your BVN. They're going to ask you those type of questions. Don't be scared about them asking for your BVN. It's just a regulatory requirement, You need to understand that they are registered by the Corporate Affairs Commission, so they have their RCN number, they have their cooperative license number, so you are rest assured about the genuineness of this company. So when you sign in, let's just do a quick tour of the interface. The interface is really very simple. This is what it looks like. So you have plans, wallet, feed, and more. So they have like a notice board where new things are happening is highlighted here, and you can see good evening Tim Tokwe, your plans. So you look at all the plans I have, right? So you can contact them. They have an onboarding series. So apart from this video, you can go through this onboarding series and watch everything you need to know. Now with plans, they have different types of plan. That's your personal one. Then they have portfolio and all of that. Build wealth, asset classes. Like we started, when we started, they only have 3 types of products. They have stocks, they have real estate, and they have fixed income. But in this video, we are going to be looking at how you can make investments in stocks, in real estate, excuse me. So you have the wallet. Wallet is where you keep your funds, so you can link your card, because you can do automatic transfer. If you want them to be deducting money from your bank account, you can do that. So it is from this wallet that you would add money to your account. So if you want to fund your wallet, you just click on this plus sign, fund wallet. So you can select the currency, if you want to fund in naira or if you want to fund in dollar. So let's say you want to fund in naira, you click on naira. So they have the exchange rates that they buy and sell. So they buy USD at 1,555 and they sell at 1,310. So you accept. So you can either do bank transfer or debit card. Now, so with bank transfer, you have to verify your BVN and all of that, right? With debit transfer, you can the limit is 500,000 and it is instant. So if you click on continue, you put how much you want to transfer. So let's just hypothetical now, want to transfer 200,000 for instance. So the conversion of 200,000 is about $147. Do you understand? So you now click on add money. When you click on add money, you say confirm amount, you click on add. So you now put in your Nigerian naira card or whatever card where you are deducting that money from. So if you are paying with a new Nigerian naira card, for instance, they'll say save this card. No, don't say. Let's say no, don't save this card. So just typical what you need to do. So you put in your card details and all. They also have a service for virtual cards. You can apply for that if you are interested in that. But let's go into the video for investing in real estate. Now, to invest in US real estate, so you have to go to the asset class, that place that they say asset class, and click on real estate. When you click on it, this is what comes out. So they say best for those who want a balance of good returns. This plan invests in rented buildings in the US and returns 12 to 15% per annum. So they are money managers. So they are buildings that, you remember how we started the videos, so they are buildings that they rent out in the US, and you guys watched how profitable rentals in the US is. So now they now gave the historical performance. In 2019 they did 17.74%, in 2020 they did 15.18%, and in 2021 15.09%. Now you have to also bear in mind that these are just projections. It doesn't necessarily mean that this is how it's going to be this year, but these are the projections that they've been having over the years. Okay, so another thing you also have to put in mind and consideration is that they will charge you a fee of 0.5% per year on your fund. So whatever amount it is that you are investing, you know that there's a charge for 0.5%, because remember, they are fund managers, they are managing these funds. Okay, so now that we're clear about that, I need you to like this video if you've not liked the video, and if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe to this channel for more finance educational content. All right, so let us set up our portfolio for the real estate in the US. So you click on the assets class like I said and create an investment plan. So for this investment plan, we want to do the real estate. Okay, so we're going to click on that and say we want click on the asset class for real estate. So when we click on the point for real estate, a pop-up is going to come on your screen and show you all the things that I've been talking about before. So when that comes up on your screen, you'll be asked to give your plan a name. Okay, so let's say we are giving this plan Ozigbo plan. It's just an hypothetical name, so let's just write that out. You may have your own plan, okay, what you want to achieve from investing in real estate in the USA, but let's just call this plan Ozigbo plan. So then I'll say continue. So you see that they now bring how long do you want to invest for? Do you want to invest for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months? What duration? So you have to choose the duration of this investment, and it is 15% estimated returns. Please bear that in mind. 15% estimated returns on investment, right? So depending on what your goals are, what it is that you want to achieve, if you just say, okay, let me test the waters 3 months, 6 months, but for the sake of this video, let's say 12 months, right? So we are going to create a plan, Ozigbo plan for 12 months. So when you click on create plan, they say the longer you invest, the higher your potential returns. These estimates are based on historical facts. Actual returns may vary. So they are giving you a disclaimer that the historical facts, what they are estimating is based on what has happened in the past, but anything can happen. Okay, act of God, whatever, anything can happen. So they are telling you to also put that in mind. So but they are saying that this name is too long, we should give it a shorter name. So we can't use Ozigbo plan. So let's just call it real estate plan. I think that's a much simpler name. And yeah, so we'll create the plan. So you view your plan. This is really very simple. The interface is simple. You can either add money immediately or you add money later. I already showed you people how to add money, but let's just go through it again. So you see add money or withdraw. Then there's also the auto invest. So if you turn on that auto invest, as long as you have linked your Nigerian bank account, so if you put whatever amount, the frequency, it will just automatically take it out. So maybe if you're a salary earner, you want to be investing, let's say 20k every month. Okay, so once you just put it on auto invest, once it's that time of the month, it automatically takes the money out of it. But if you want to do it manually, that one is still available, but you have to add the money by yourself, so there's no pressure on doing that. I already showed you guys how to add the money before, but let's just go through it again. In order to add the money, we'll go back to the wallet. Yes, because that's where you can add money. So when you come to the wallet, you see this place that they say fund wallet. So this is where we fund the wallet. I already talked about the virtual card. So if you want to apply for the virtual card, maybe I'll do another video for this. This is a separate tutorial. So you just click on that plus sign. So they say send to plan, send to rise user, whatever money, naira or dollar. So we're going to be selecting naira because we're collecting the money from my own naira account. So at the time this was recorded, exchange rate was 1,260 and they were selling at 1,220. This has increased from the video that we first did. Okay, so we're just going to accept and continue, because what a man could do now, you just accept and continue, right? So when you accept and continue, you would queue if you want to do bank transfer or debit card whichever one you are most comfortable with. But they were asking me for my BVN again. I think I'd given it to them. I don't know why they were asking me for it, so I just went for the debit transfer because I cannot be bothered. Okay, I can't be bothered, I can't be stressed. So anyway, after putting all of that, I have created my investment portfolio, and I've added money to my investment portfolio. So it's really very simple. It's not complicated at all. Like I said, their interface is so easy to use. So you can build your own real estate plan and just make a commitment to whatever amount you want to be investing. If you have like $20,000 and all of that, you can do that. Don't forget to make use of my code, and if you enjoyed the video, you can super chat us to say thank you so much. I learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Okay, I would be available to answer your questions. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.